Stop breaker fails. Safe MCB install. IEC 608981 check. Fast checklist so your breaker doesn't become a tiny flamethrower. 1. Kill the power. Main switch off. Lock it out. Tag it. Verify dead with a non-contact tester and a multimeter. Trust, but test. 2. PPE on, gloves, eye protection, insulated tools, dry shoes, dry floor, good lighting, no jewelry, not qualified, hire a pro. 3. Pick the right MCB, match load current to cable size, not convenience. 10A, 16A, 20A, 32A, size it to protect the wire. Curve B for lights and electronics, curve C for motorish loads, curve D for big inrush. Check short circuit capacity, ICN 6KA or 10KA per your supply fault level. 4. IEC 60898, 1 label check. Brand, rated voltage, 230/400V. Rated current, in, curve, B, C, or D, frequency, 50-60 Hz. Braking capacity, ICN, CE, UKCA, where applicable. Missing or sketchy, don't install. 5. Panel prep, remove cover. Verify dead again. Label the slot. Add blanking plates. Keep neutral and earth bars tidy. No overstuffed terminals. 6. DIN rail mount. Hook the MCB, snap it in straight, toggle off. Align with bus bar fingers or feed conductor. 7. Wiring orientation. Many boards line top, load bottom. Check markings. Never guess. Conductors clean and straight. Strip to length. No nicks. Ferrules if stranded. 8. Torque matters. Insert fully. Tighten to manufacturer spec in NEMM. Retorque neighbors. Loose equals heat equals failure. 9. Bus bar. Correct tooth spacing, end caps on. No exposed copper. Keep each neutral with its breaker. Earth secure. Maintain bend radius. Avoid crossing toggles. 10. Final checks. Visual. No copper showing. Insulation intact. Labels on. Mechanical. Screws torqued. Breaker seated. Electrical. Continuity as expected. Insulation resistance acceptable. Panel cover back on. Power up. Main on. Then MCB on. No sparks, smell, or warmth under normal load. Trip test by toggling off-on. MCBs don't have a test button like RCDs. Thermal overload bends a bimetal strip to protect cables. Magnetic trip snaps open on short circuits in milliseconds. Always choose ratings to protect the wire, not the appliance. If labels are missing, torque unknown, buzzing, or heat, stop and call a licensed electrician. Safety first beats hero mode. Recap: 10. Power off. 9. PPE. 8. Right MCB. 7. IEC 60898-1. 6. Prep. 5. Mount. 4. Orientation. 3. Torque. 2. Bus bar. 1. Checks. That's your fast, safe MCB install with the IEC sanity check. Stay smart, stay safe.